Hi everyone, welcome to our course. My name is Lemon, your professional Chinese teacher. Today our topic is tools. We're going to learn new characters and new expression related to it, and will be very useful if you're going to learn Chinese. And if you're interested in our course, please subscribe our channel or go through our website. And if you have any suggestion of our course, just comment below. Let's start our course today. So first of all, we have to get familiar with these two new characters. 工具工具工 flatten 具 fortune, which means tools. 工具工具工具 So first we have trowel, 铲子铲 13 z lighten 铲子 read after me 铲子铲子铲子后锄头锄头锄 second tone 头 light tone 锄头锄头锄头 and paint 油漆油 second tone 漆 flat tone 油漆油漆 and then circular saw blade 切割刀切割刀切割刀切 flatten 割 flatten 刀 flatten 切割刀切割刀 and then hammer 锤子锤子锤子锤 second tone 锤子斧头斧头斧头 which means axe 斧 third tone 斧斧头斧头斧头斧头 and then pliers 钳子钳子钳 second tone 钳钳钳子钳子 read after me 钳子 chisel 凿子凿子凿子凿 second tone 子 light tone 凿子凿子凿子 and then saw 锯子锯子锯子锯 first tone 子 light tone 锯子锯子 file 锉刀锉刀锉刀锉 first tone 刀 flatten 锉刀 and then wrench 扳子扳子扳子扳 flatten 子 lighten 扳子 read after me 扳子 and then we have screwdriver 螺丝刀螺丝刀螺丝刀螺丝刀螺丝刀 or 改锥改锥 both okay 螺丝刀 read after me 螺丝刀螺丝刀改锥改锥改锥 both okay and then flashlight 手电筒手电筒手电筒手 third tone 电 first tone 筒 third tone 手电筒 measure tape tape 卷尺卷 we have learned curly hair before, which means 卷发卷 curly because you can卷 which means curly and 尺 which means measure 卷尺 卷尺卷尺 wire 电线电 electronic 线 line 电线电线 and here 螺丝钉螺丝钉 is it familiar? Because screwdriver is 螺丝刀 here 螺丝刀 and screw 螺丝钉 we call it 螺丝钉 because it look like a nail 钉子钉子钉子钉 flatten 子 lighter 钉子钉子 and shovel 铁锹铁 13 铁锹铁锹铁锹 cap screw cap 螺丝帽 again 帽 which means cap and 螺丝 screw 螺丝螺 second tone 丝 flatten 螺丝帽螺丝帽螺丝帽 and then tape 胶带胶带胶带胶 flat tone 带 fourth tone 胶带 and then hand drill 钻头钻头钻头钻 first tone 头 second tone hose 管子管子管子管 third tone 子 light tone 管子 So this is the course today. We have learned a lot of new characters and new words today. I hope you guys can do some review and don't forget to check the homework. Thank you very much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. And if you have any suggestions, just comment below. I want to hear from you. If you haven't already subscribed, just click the subscription and the little bear icon so that you can get notification for the next video we post. Thanks again. See you in the next video. Bye.